Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Copysense AI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create Etsy listing descriptions with Copysense AI. If you are ready, let's start. First, search for Etsy listing description on your writer's page. Go to Etsy listing description generator. Upload the image of your product if you have it. Then type your product title and put some product details like material, shape, color, and etc. Choose target language, set maximum length, creativity level, and the number of results. When you hit the Generate button, you will see the results in seconds. That's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Start your forever free journey with Copysense AI today.